Alright, part 5, guys. We're almost done. Now I'm going to go ahead and just take the bottom branch off. See? My bottom branch. Still bottom stuff left to it. Now we will be doing another tree. One more, but it ain't going to be big as this one. Actually, we're not going to do another tree tonight because it's snowing right now. Oh, it's more than like dusting out there now. Wow. Alright, I'm going to do one more, even though it's snowing, but I'm going to have to reload this to the garbage can, which is, I pretend is the wood chipper. And now I'm going to go ahead and snip, which is the main top branch off. And it's pretty big, too. Maybe you can make that into another tree, so. Just joking, just kidding, guys.
You're so awesome.
What?
You're so awesome.
Yeah, I like to record tree cutting and doing that on YouTube because I'm showing people how to cut down a small tree with your lockers if you didn't have any installed. Alright, I guess down to the main trunk now. Use my belly to push the cut. We just got that much off. Here you go, guys. Almost done. Well, stop smoking your darn cigarettes.
You keep on making me have an urge. It don't do nothing for me. That's all I care.
Alright, handsaw time. Go ahead and put this gadget up. Now I'm going to use my handsaw. Oops. I just touched the bottom of right here, guys. Make sure you don't do that with your blade. Put your foot down here and you just cut.
Be careful.
Yep. Now you can take it. Now you can get down and cut it with the lockers.
Battle Royale. Alright, soldier, mark a drop point for your team. Gas is approaching your position.
Yeah.
Move to the safe zone.
Yep, it's a very little amount of tree left, guys. You can actually see it. Goes down, tree's gone. See, guys, it's just a little stump left. See, this is the big piece that was on top of it.
Enemy soldier incoming.
It is snowing big time out there. Alright, guys. My locker's cut for us, but take it down. stump right
Hostiles
here.
dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Throwing deep.
Alright, now I go deliver the thingy to
Okay.
the wood chipper.
Oh, through the window.
Whoa, that
Through
is
the window.
a
Left
light
side. No, watch out,
right
Green.
there.
Green. Come over here.
That is a pretty amazing
Watch out,
dusty.
that window. Come towards
Dad.
me. The window. No, behind y'all. Behind y'all. Window. Right here.
It might be just started going icicle off my darn roof. Really don't know. They need to fix that gutter because I'm not going to be dealing with stepping in puddles anymore. Oh, I'm going
We're in the safe zone. Watch for enemy.
Good thing. You got the door.
Safe. You lost the enemy track.
Alright, guys. See? This will be a small tree.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Alright, guys. Part 5 is, or 4 is ending. Part 4, ending.
Safe